Hey guys, I'm Lenny, and I've been working on the game, and I think I have fixed the eating issue. So let's try it out. Let's search for a blueberry shrub. No blueberries there. Come on, there you go. I've also remapped the inventory key from B to I, which makes more sense, because I usually hit I and nothing happens. Yeah, found some blueberries, perfect. And now I should be able to eat them. So just right click from the inventory, that's all it took. And yeah, I don't think the inventory is disappearing with right click now. That might be a side effect, but I think I'm gonna keep it that way, so you can close it only with I again. I might even map it to escape, maybe. I'll have to think about that. I've also fixed the walking animation issue. So there was one image, actually the first one in the walking animation, that was slightly to the left, I think, 1 pixel to the left, and that kind of distorted the whole animation. And I have added one more new thing, and that's key bindings. I have added this help menu. It's just it's not movable, no crosses to turn it off, or you can just open it and close it with the same key, which is F1. And it displays all the keybinds currently in the game that will be changeable in the future. There are keybinds that you won't be able to change them in the future, and that's the escape key, and probably others like holding Shift, Control, Alt. I'm not gonna be remapping those. Alright, another thing I've noticed that I couldn't close the... Yeah, if I press Alt... Oh yeah, it selects the window, never mind. My bad, low experience. Another thing that I've added is I've remapped the full screen key to Alt Enter, so it's kind of more logical than F12, and it's not in here for some reason. I need to get it. Yeah, I need to put it in here as well. The thing is that the key is kind of weird, because you need to hold Alt and then press Enter. So I don't think you're gonna be able to remap that, but it will be useful to put it here just for the info. And that's pretty much all I've done so far. I think I've missed some stuff. One more little thing, but whatever. I'm gonna show you the code. I'd like to talk about switch cases actually, because there was an issue. I got a code to decide what key was pressed, and I had to go from switch to complex if. The reason is that switch only accepts constants, so my key bindings would have to be like that, all final, and that's not really what I'm looking for. I'd like to change these as I go. So what I did was I switched to if clause, and I have created an enum, this thing, and I have mapped it like that. This is just the name of the key. Well, the name of the... Yeah, this is gonna be difficult. The key name is actually I. Like for this one, that's the key. The key name is this integer translated into like key on your keyboard, and this is just the tooltip that's gonna be displayed alongside of it. Yeah, I get out of that trap. These are the methods I'm gonna use. This one is obsolete. I don't think I'm gonna need that. Maybe I will have to add like setter methods when I'm gonna be implementing the customizable key binding. but for now this is enough. This returns the name, this returns the key name. Those are the two most important methods I'm gonna use, and this is just a convenient method to get all the keybinds, and then I can easily just draw them into an image or draw them on the screen. Then I have added the F1 option. Oh yeah, I forgot, help. If I press the help key, it turns the boolean display help either to false or true. Escape turns it to false always, just to get rid of the help. And help is displayed just as an image, and the image comes from the help class, and the image is created as such. It's half the width, height, and black square, which is this part. Then some integer magic, and this is the convenient method to load all the keybinds and just display them one by one, moving slowly downwards. So that was fairly easy. The only issue was with the switch clause, because I had no idea that you need some... No, I'm not gonna make it final. That's probably gonna change, I think. Never mind. So the switch clause was quite convenient for me before, as it's much more readable compared to the if clause, but it just wasn't enough. I think there's a workaround for what I want to do with the switch clause. I don't want to go there right now. That's just too much work for me. Alright, about eating. I think there's a class with actions. Oh yeah, but it's not in the class. The change in eating was... There was an overlapping, or... Well, when I right-clicked the inventory or the backpack, the first thing it tried to do was to close the inventory. This is the right mouse button resolution, and there's somewhere... Where's the eating part? Where do you eat? Come on. That's combat. I think it's use item from backpack. That's the eating part. And what I've done is that I've added probably, yeah, this line here. So in case you're clicking inside your inventory, it's not gonna close the inventory, and it's gonna try to use the item from your backpack. And if it's food, you're gonna be, if it's edible actually, it's usable. Did I add edible status? Nope. Well, if you can eat it, you can eat it. If it's a metal and you can eat it, you're gonna eat it. And that's pretty much it. That's all the stuff I have changed. Yeah. So see you guys. Yeah, I think that's all. See you guys next time. Oh, I should mention what I'm gonna add. I don't know. I wanted to add roads and other stuff, but that will kind of force me to make the graphics for it. So yeah, about that. I'd also like to figure out a way how to add menus into the game, because right now the player is quite clueless about how to control the game, how to adjust your settings, how to even display the help. So assuming the player has no knowledge of any games whatsoever, which is gonna be a rare case, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna go with that. I should add like something like in WoW, or something really small but also noticeable, like an overlay GUI where you can just access the info and inventory and other stuff. That's also gonna need graphics, and I'm not happy about that. I'd also like to kind of break the grass tiles, that's gonna take some more graphics. Usually for grass you want few different tiles and then just few different tiles that connect well, I might add, and then you just mix them randomly, and that creates like not this weird grid of grass. Alright, that's it for now. See you guys next time.